everyone. Okay, so I'm trying to figure out the best way to show you this so that you can see what I'm doing and hear and we don't have a glare, and we're gonna try it this way for now, okay? And I'm trying to get some kind of document camera so that you could see what I'm doing on the table, but until I get that figured out, we'll try it this way, okay? So what you need today is the paper that has tens and ones on it. It says adding and subtracting two-digit numbers, and it looks like this. If you don't have one, if you weren't able to pick up your kit, go ahead and just draw the 2 boxes and then 6 boxes. Make sure these are big enough to write in. And if you picked up your kit and somehow I messed up and you don't have it, send me a message and I will make sure to get you one, okay? So that is what we are going to be using today. So you all should have gotten in your kits 10 sticks. The 10 stick is made up of the 10 cubes. And see, I still have some white. They don't have to be perfect, just cut them out. 1 cubes, they might be purple, blue, yellow, doesn't matter though. And the 100 black, okay? So that is what we're going to use for now. You'll also need a dry erase marker, something to erase with, old sock, paper towel, napkin, it doesn't matter. Ready? Okay. So we've been talking about place value. Place value is when a number has 2 parts, which one means what? And we talked about why it's important when we add doubles that we do the ones first. And now I'm going to show you why, okay? Okay. So in these boxes, this says tens, this says ones. We are only ever allowed to leave 9 cubes in there. Do you know why? Yeah, because kind of like how I showed you yesterday, if you have more than 9, it's 2 digits. The digit is the number that goes in that place. So if we had the number 38, but we put 38 in the ones, and we know 38 has how many tens? 10, 20, 30. 3. Well, that would be 338. That doesn't make sense. Okay, so let's try again. And this will also be a game we're going to play later. Okay, so forget that 38. We're going to start fresh, okay? Everyone start out with 7 ones in your ones column. A column is a box that goes up and down. So put 7 ones. Good? Oh, I have 8. Yeah, you gotta be careful. Okay, 7 ones. And let's start out with 2 tens. Okay, so what number do we have? 10, 20, plus 7 ones. Well, just like we practiced yesterday, 2 tens is 20, plus 7 ones equals, very good, 27. So let's put 27, and make sure your paper is in your dry erase pocket. So let's put 27 in our first box. Okay, now we want to add 7 more. Okay, go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, Okay. So now, can we leave it like that? No, no way. Because if we did, well, 7 plus 7 is 14. So that would mean we had 14 in the ones and 2 in the tens. So is 27 plus 7 214? No. No way. So we need to regroup. Okay. So count out 10 of those ones and trade it for a 10 stick. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I took off 10 ones and I got a 10 stick. So now, let's see what we have. 3 tens equals 10, 20, 30. Yeah. So we know under our tens, we have 30. And what do we have under our ones? 4. Can we write it like that? No, that would be 304. That's not what we have. We have to add them. 30 plus 4 equals 34. So if we did 7 plus 7, would we write 14 in this box? Just like we couldn't do it there, we can't write it here. So 7 plus 7, oh yeah, we know it's 34. I'm going to show you how you do this, but you don't have to worry about doing it yet, okay? 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 has 4 ones and 1 10. Well, I take that extra 10 and I put it on top. 2 plus 1 is 3. Did we get the same answer? Yeah, we did. So when we are adding something like that, that's why we practice it this way, because we know we have to take those extra ones and trade them for a 10. Make sense? Okay, let's try another one. No, we can leave 34. We'll start with that. Okay. 34. So I had 34 pieces of candy. I was walking down the street and I saw my neighbor and she gave me 10 more. Okay, so we have 10 more. What should we do? Are we going to count out 10 ones and put them there? No, why would we do that, right? Let's work smarter, not harder. If we got 10 exactly, we're just going to take a 10 stick. Yeah, because a 10 stick is a stick of 10 ones. Okay, so now what do we have? 4 tens equals, very good, 40. We still have 4 ones. 40 plus 4 equals 44. Very good. Now, could we do it that way? We could. 4 plus 0 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. So sometimes that's going to work out nice and easy, but sometimes it's not. Okay? So, let's start with 44. So we had 44 pieces of candy now. We went walking, walking, walking. Ah, there's a store. Let's go in. We bought 8 more pieces from the store. Okay, so well, We could start at 44 and just count up 8. We could try to add that. I say let's do it with our cubes first, and then we'll double check it, okay? Okay. We have 44. Let's add 8 more ones. If I count by 2s, now that's 6, and that's 8. Okay. Can we leave all of those there? Can we have 40 and 12? Because we don't have 40 tens. We have 4 tens. And 4 tens equals 40. Can we have 12 ones? No. We can only have up to 9. We can only have 1 digit. So let's count out 10 and trade them for a stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are we done? No, I forgot to get a 10 stick. If you trade in a group of 10, you have to take the 10. Okay. Well, now how many 10s do we have? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50? We wouldn't say 50 tens. We would say 5 tens. And we could say 5 tens equals 50. And we have 2 ones. So what's 50 plus 2? Very good, 52. Okay, well let's try it that way. Start at 44 and count 8 more. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 51, 52. Yeah, we still got 52. What if I wanted to do it the harder way? Well, 4 plus 8 is 12. Do I just write 12? No way. That would be 412. Is that what it equals? No. So what do I need to write? 4 plus 8 is, I put the 2 there, and I put that extra 10 over there. 4 plus 1 is 5. Good. So I just want to show you how we're doing it that way, because later it's going to be important for you to understand. But if that doesn't totally make sense yet, don't worry, okay? Let's do a couple more together. Go ahead and clear your board. Okay, now, let's make sure you can see. Okay, let's start with 13. Do we need to count out 13 ones? No. No, good job. We know 13 has 1 10 and 3 ones, because 13 is 10 plus 3. Okay, now we want to add 5 more. Okay, so do we have to trade anything? We have 2, 4, 6, 8. No, we can have 8. So 13 plus 5 is 8. Oh, I forgot the 10. Okay, so if I have 8 ones and I have 1 10, I know 1 10 equals 10. What's 10 plus 8? 18. Now I could also do it that way. 5 plus 3 is 8. 1 plus 0 is 1. 18. Okay, let's keep going. Alright, I have 18 kittens. I'm crazy, right? I must love them. then I adopt 3 more. Okay? Let's add 3 more. Oops, I dropped one. So we started with 18 and we added 3 more. Can I leave all these? Let's count out 10 and trade it for a 10 stick. Don't forget to take the 10. Okay, so what do we have? Well, we have 2 10s and 2 10s equals 20. How many 1s do we have? 1. 1 equals 1. So now we're going to do 20 plus 1 equals 21. Let's double check. Start at 18. 18, 19, 20, 21. Excellent. So I have 21 kittens. Whew. And then I get 6 more. Oh my gosh. How could I even come up with that many names? Okay. Do I have enough to trade? I do not have enough to trade. So I would have to still have 2 10s equals 20. I have 7 1s. So 7 1s equals 7. 20 plus 7 is 27. See, I did it that way that time. But we started with 20. Did we start with 21? I think we did. And we added 6 more. Oops, I've been forgetting to put my plus there. I'm sorry. Well, 1 plus 6 is 7 and 2. Okay. Well, now I have 27 kittens. Joe, Bob, George, Angie, Sakari, Tiara, Princess, Molly, Joe, 2, Michael, 1, Mikey, Shamu, like the whale. Okay, and we got 5 more. Oh, Sylvia would be so jealous. Okay, add 5 more. So we started with 27. And we added 5. Can we leave all these? We gotta count 10 and trade them for a 10 stick. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, get a 10 stick. What do we have? Okay, now we have 3 10s equals 30. Very good. We have 2 1s. What's 2 1s equal? 2. 30 plus 2 equals 32. 7 plus 5. Do you remember what to do? We can't write 12 there. Well, let's just start at 27 and add 5 more. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. It matches. Oh, that's right, because we would have to trade that 10. So we put a 2 and a 1. 1 10 and 2 1s is 12. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 32. Does that make sense? If it doesn't, send me a message and we'll keep working on it, okay? This is hard stuff, and usually we would spend a lot of time together doing it. But we are going to play a game with it if you go on Google Meets today, okay? Alright, you're going to need this sheet for Google Meets. You're also going to use this sheet and your cubes to do a couple problems. I want you to take pictures when you do it. You can either take a couple pictures and show me, or you can draw it on paper and show me the answers and how you did it with tens and ones. Okay? Okay.